This video is to show you how to manage levels using a default project on Revit. I'm going to click on New, and default for a Revit project we only have level 1 and level 2, and they're only 10 feet apart from each other. Now in residential we want to set it up to be 9 feet apart from each other. Now to do that, I'm going to go and look at one of my elevations. I usually go to south, and I'm going to zoom in over here on my levels. Now since I said it was 9 feet in between each level, to change your distance in between the levels, you just double click on the number and type a new number. So we have the distance between level 1 and level 2 is now 9 feet. Now I want to add a basement level and a roof level to this. To do that, we need to go to the Home tab and then select level underneath above the datum section of our ribbon. So click level, and I'm going to select pick lines. I'm going to change my offset to be 9 feet. Now you want to put your mouse near and just above your level that you want to create a level above, and it shows a dotted line directly above it, and I'm going to click and it'll add level 3. I'm going to do that the same thing underneath level 1. I'm going to put my mouse underneath level 1 and click. Now we have level 1, 2, 3, 4, and if you look on the left in the browser, we have level 1, 2, 3, and 4, but does not organize them well. So what we're going to do is we're going to rename our levels so that they show up in numerical order, starting with basement all the way up to roof. So to do that, we're going to go to Modify and double click on the level name. I'm going to name the basement level with 0 basement. Now I'm going to place that 0 at the beginning, so it'll put the basement at the top of the list. Now it's going to ask us, would you like to rename corresponding views? You're going to click yes. Double click on level 1, call it 1 first floor. Click yes. Double click on level 2, type 2 second floor. Click off of it and click yes. Double click on level 3, type 3 and roof. And click off of it and hit yes. Now we have our 4 levels. We can work with our basement, first floor, second floor, and roof. Now the work between these, you have to use your floor plans. So I'm going to go to the first floor to demonstrate how to draw walls on the first floor. So I'm going to go to my Home tab, select walls, and default or residential walls should have exterior generic 6-inch, just to show the basic size for the framing. And we need to specify the height in the options bar. I'm going to change it to up to the second floor because the second floor is above my first floor. I'm going to click and draw a wall. Now when I click and draw a wall, it's going to create a wall that goes from the first floor up to the second floor. Now if I want to stack a wall directly above it, I would go to the second floor, and what it shows us is our first floor wall, but it's grayed out. It's called a underlay. Now you can manage your underlays under floor plan right here, and it shows you what floor is being underlaid. I can change it. If I want to underlay the basement, I can do that, and it shows me whatever's on the basement, which there's nothing on the basement. So I want to leave it on first floor, click apply, and we are going to draw a wall directly above it. So I'm going to select wall, verify the height is up to the roof, and draw a wall directly over top of it. Now whenever I go to my elevation, it will show us that we have a wall stacked on top of a wall. And that includes how to manage levels and how to draw on those levels.